Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to add layer, correct way to add vector layer and raster layer. If you want to add any layer, raster and vector, so listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our QGIS. After QGIS we go to layer and we go to add layer, and if you want to add vector layer, we click here vector layer and we select here your path, vector layer path. Here is vector layer path and we select it. After select we open and add, close it. Our vector layer is added. If you want to modify, so you go to toggle editing, we click here and we select here polygon and you modify as per your requirement and draw a new polygon as per your shape. You right click for end and OK. Our polygon is created. If you want to save it, here is save layer, we click here, our layer is saved. If you want to add raster layer, we go to again layer and add layer, add raster layer, we click here and we select here path. Here is our image, we select it and open and add, close. We right click and zoom layer. Here is our image. Image is added successfully by using. If you want to have any other format, you go to layer, add layer. Here is many format. If you want to other format, you select here and you add as per your requirement. So our process successfully completed. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video. How to add ring, how to delete ring and how to fill ring. If you want to fill a gap up space of your project, so it is very important. So listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our polygon and we add ring. For add ring we go to editor and go to edit geometry and we select here add ring and we create here ring as per our requirement, and last we right click, our ring is created. If you want to delete ring, this ring, you go to again editor and go to edit geometry and we select here delete ring. After it we click to ring, our ring is deleted. If you want to fill ring, for fill ring, first we create a ring, we go to editor and add ring, we right click. After add ring we fill it. For fill we go to editor and edit geometry and select here fill ring and we start editing to outer, and last we right click and OK. Our ring is fill up, and if you want to modify in one polygon same as previous, so you select it both ring, and after it we go to editor and edit geometry, and we select here merge selected feature, then ok. Our feature is merge our ring area filled, so our process is complete: add ring, delete ring and fill ring. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video. Discuss how to reshape outside of polygon and how to reshape inside in polygon. If you want to reshape your feature, so it is very important in QGIS. So please listen carefully this video to end. Like, share and subscribe my channel, I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let start. Here is our polygon. For reshape we go to editor and edit geometry. After edit geometry we select here reshape feature, and after reshape feature, for outside of feature we click first point outside of feature, and second point, third point as per your requirement, and we last point on outside of feature, and after it we right click our feature reshape. And if you want to reshape in inside, so you click first point inside and other point outside as per your shape. We choose your shape as per your requirement. You draw your shape. After shape, last point inside of polygon. After it we right click, our feature is reshape or inside. So we successfully completed outside feature reshape and inside feature reshape. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video. How to create offset curve and offset curve inside and offset curve outside. If you want to create offset of your polygon, so it is very important, so please listen carefully this video to end, and like, share and subscribe my channel, I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Let start. Here is our polygon. For inside offset curve we go to editor. After editor we go to edit geometry. After edit geometry we go to offset curve and we click on center, and here is our inside curve. We as per select size as per your requirement, we click here, our offset curve is created. If you want to outside of curve, so you go to again editor, edit geometry and offset curve, and you click on center and go to outside of curve. Here is outside of curve, as per your requirement you select size. After it we click and you see here your outside of curve. If you want to change color, you right click on file and go to property, and you select here curve and select here color. And if you want to change style as per your requirement, we select here and apply and OK. Our offset of curve inside and outside it complete successfully. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching video.